This is the spotted male. It's the only spotted male in the litter, and you can see his adult coloring coming in. He has this beautiful golden background, which is just lovely, and these black markings coming in on him. Beautiful face on this kitten, nice big eyes, which I love, and of course with Sayan's litters we get this beautiful whited underside. He's really maturing nicely, pretty boy. He is, let's see, they are not quite 5 weeks old, and they're really doing really well. You can see with him what appeared to be spots before are now beginning to rosette, and as he matures more, these colors will come in a great deal more. So there you see this coloring coming in, very pretty boy. Oops! He fell. And again, this is the only spotted male in the litter by Sayan and Supernova.